Welcome back to Ruby Dean's Cuisines, and like I said, this is our Southern series. So we did our fried chicken, we knocked out the macaroni and cheese, and yes, we are getting ready to knock out my fried cabbage. I am so excited about this series, okay? We got 3 more of them that's getting ready to come. That's gonna be my fried fish, my candy yam, my string beans. You're getting ready to learn some real Chef D type of cooking. So I have right now for you some fresh shredded cabbage, already shredded and cleaned and washed, all right? Of course, I have my seasoning spices already, all right? I'm going to show you how I cut my cabbage, all right? And then I'm gonna clean this cabbage and add it to the rest of the cabbage, all right? I put in my cabbage onions, yellow peppers, red peppers, okay? And of course, I already have my bacon, and I already have my beef sausages, all right? So these are the ingredients that I use for my fried cabbage, and yes, it is in the link below. Share, like, and subscribe. Tell a friend, yo, I got an easier way for you to make some fried cabbage, okay? Okay, so like I said, I want to show you how to slice up or shred up your cabbage. So I have a cabbage here that I already rinsed. Of course, I'm gonna re-rinse it after I cut it up. So I'm left-handed, so I'm just gonna use my left hand, and all I do is this. That's all you do. I'm sorry. Just cut it as thin or as thick as you want it, okay? Get a good knife. My knife is making me mad right now. But that's it, okay? Now, if you want to make it some more, I don't want to make it no more. I got enough cabbage right now. We're going to put it in this, and I'm going to go wash them. Okay, now I have everything, mise en place is laid out for you. So I did beef sausage, and I also did some bacon, all right? I already fried that up. You'll see the render is right there. I'm getting ready to fry everything inside of this goodness right now. We have our peppers. I have crushed peppers. Crushed peppers is optional. Okay, but we put that in our family. My grandmother put crushed peppers in our fried cabbage. We also put a little bit of sugar because sometimes the cabbage itself is very bitter. So you want to bring out the flavor, so put a little sugar in it, and of course it's going to help die down the crushed peppers in there, all right? So that's it. This is everything, my spices, and we're going to start with the cabbage and get it going, all right? All right, here we go. Now, as you know, cabbage makes its own water, all right? So it's definitely gonna start going down, all right? I'm gonna put the rest of the cabbage in once I see that. All right, just gonna start stirring it up, and all that fat that's down there on the bottom of it. Get all of that bacon and sausage, that render, get it all in there, okay? I'll season it in a minute. I just gotta get the rest of the cabbage in there. All right, as you see, it's going down now. So because it's going down, I can go in and add in my peppers. Okay, now we're gonna add them in, and you're gonna notice that it's still gonna keep continuing to straight on down. There we go. All right, so with our seasoning, which is in the recipe, is in the link, okay? Again, use the seasonings that you like. This is just how we do it in my family. We also use crushed pepper in my family. Not a lot, but enough. Not a lot. That's probably half a teaspoon or even less than that. We just like that kick. We do put salt on that, so we do put sugar in it. Just gonna put just about a tablespoon, I'm sorry, I guess it's a tablespoon, yeah. All right, that's gonna give it some more flavor. Okay, and then I'm just gonna start stirring. Okay. Now this is the texture that you actually wanna start, this is what you really want, all right? You still want your peppers to actually have a bite to it. So now we're gonna go and I'm gonna put the sausages in, okay? Look at that, that's nice, right? All right, putting my sausages in. I'm just gonna toss those around. Sausages have a nice low sodium bite to it, okay? So it's not a lot of salt in this. Again, I don't cook with a lot of salt no longer. So you're not gonna get a lot of, it's not gonna be a lot of salt up in here. Not in my recipe. So I'm gonna shut it down now. I'm gonna put this last batch in there. All right. That looks absolutely delicious. I'm just gonna put it all in there. Just get all the goodness. There you go. I'm gonna give it 2 hits. All right, just that and that. That's all I'm gonna do. That's it. I'm turning off my fire. Okay? And this cabbage is done. Okay? And that is how you make Derek's fried cabbage. Chef D's fried cabbage. That's how you make it. Again, the salt, the sugar is optional. Okay? The crushed peppers, optional. The actual pork and the beef, you don't have to do that. You can do it the old school way where you boil it. You can also make it with smoked turkeys. You can do your fried cabbage any type of way. I'm just teaching you this is the way I do. So again, share, subscribe, like, and that is Ruby Dean's Cuisine's fried cabbage. Try to give me a good amount on there. I need to eat vegetables. I don't like vegetables.